This car is way too low for drive-through. What are they milking the cow? Come on, man. It's 2 coffees. Good morning. Thank you very much. See ya. White chocolate mocha from Gloria Jeans. Only got 1 cup holder here available at the moment. Woo! Can't wait till this thing's turbo. Welcome back to the vlog. We have a Ford Falcon Sprint episode in store for you guys. It's a mixture of clips that we've collected over time because we've just been flat out. So we've been working on the Sprint here and there, waiting for the Diff to get rebuilt, and did a few bits and bobs which we'll run you through. But cracker morning today. It's a Sunday morning. We are driving the S2000, as you can see. Sipping on my white chalky mocky. And you look. Anyways, see you soon. At least the filter has been changed once before. Alright, so what are we doing?
We are replacing all the terminals. Our dad had new old stock of these terminals here. And then a few of these ones here I've had to fix up because they were just pretty bad. Got rid of the rust on the battery tray, painted that up.
New genuine overflow tank, new alternator.
The battery cooler box as well.
Yeah. Some hoses. These are the terminals.
Rear end is all stone guarded again.
Yeah. So let's have a look at this. It's all done. All stone guarded. New sway bar bushes were already done. All the control arms have been sent away to have the bushes pressed in and out. New ones painted up. New rubbers for the springs. New exhaust hangers. Everything's genuine. What else do we have? The diff still has to be sent away to be redone. Chopped the exhaust off because it's hanging way too low. It's blocked. It sounds crap. So we're going to be replacing that anyway. I don't think we had the manifold cover on before, did we? That cover, whatever it is, so we got that on now. Huh? That cover. We didn't have that on before.
Yeah, but I think we'll just place it up.
Got a snorkel for the battery box. What else have we done? New pulleys.
Yeah, mate.
We also sent the calipers away to be rebuilt and restored. So as you can see, they look brand new now. All new seals, new pistons, sliders, everything. So that's for the back end. So everything on the back's going to be pretty much brand new. And then when we get to the front, we'll probably do the same. And if you have a look under here, it's been all stone guarded and sprayed. Give it another coat. So this has been all re-cleared to make it look pretty much brand new.
I'll paint it black.
How'd you dodge the stickers?
I
Taped it up?
I measured masking tape, cut it up, and then stuck it on and went over with a blade.
Shit, can't even tell. There you go. Original red markings. Try to keep it like factory. Oh, this side's been done as well. Beautiful. Dust shields painted. Pedal springs, this one is that, yeah. Nothing fancy here. Alright, besides the van looking a bit filth. Hey, we got the diff in there, boys. We're gonna go drop her off. Got the old Karcher back because our gurney hose exploded. Van's a mess. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop this bad boy off. We'll see it in a week's time. Alright, so I'm coating some wheels. Bit of downtime, Rob's working on the Sprint. All the rear end is ready for the new Diff, which will be here next week. We've got new bushes everywhere. All new genuine parts, as you've seen. The calipers are rebuilt. We're giving it a service now. Battery, terminals, cleaned up the manifold, she was looking a bit dull. Pulleys, new alternator. So now we're working underneath. What are you doing?
Doing the oil.
Oil filter.
Gearbox oil.
Gearbox oil.
With paint, I've wet sanded. So we haven't had time to actually vlog as much as we should. But what have I done? I 1500 grit wet sanded it, but with a soft pad because I didn't want to lose orange peel. Plus, like, this is original paint, so very delicatesse. Then we done a 3000 grit. Then I used the Roops blue cut. I just went over it like real quickly, green, and then finished it off with a yellow pad. So it's pretty good. But we don't know if we're gonna wax it. We don't know if we're gonna wax it or we're gonna ceramic coat it just to preserve it, because we don't know if we're gonna respray this car like soon, or we're just gonna wait, 3-4 years, and then just, if we do it, go nuts, pull the motor out, all engine bays, like just crazy restoration. Yeah.
Everything. Seals.
So I don't know, maybe we'll just ceramic coat it, because at least it's gonna preserve what's on there, and we can just muck around and use it as a trial for a few different methods. And I don't know, what do you reckon?
I don't know yet.
Show them this side of the car.
I'll do it before and after.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not really, like, surprising. And the funny thing is, like, when we showed our dad this car, he was like, he didn't think there was potential in it. We could see it, but like it's come up pretty good.
So that's probably the worst part of the body on the outside, is that little bit of
and the
bubbling, and then the boot. I haven't got the light on, but
I sanded heaps out of it.
See, they've painted.
The wings got no paint left, so they didn't bother.
But the rest of it,
we're really pretty cracker, man. It's gonna look pretty good.
we can get the PDR guy out to fix up those couple little dents just to straighten up the body a bit more. But if we go to the other side of how it used to look, right, it's just degrees I can. So
I think that and freshly painted wheels will like set it off.
How do I? Here we go. So as you can see, look how dull it looks. No reflection, no shine at all. Put the torch to it, just looks crap.
Oh, here's a good example of the bonnet. Put the light on that.
It's ugly.
Pretty. Can you catch the fluorescent through the camera?
Yeah.
It's pretty bad, man.
Now 1 second, so let me zoom in a bit. Get it to
Chalky and
focus.
foggy as.
Yeah. So you can see that reflection there's just crap.
I reckon paint correction, paint the wheels, and maybe
Fix up some of the
just
seals.
put a new front windscreen. And
Yeah,
we'll just
windscreen needs to be changed. It's got that. But paint all this up, paint all that up. All the rear garnish has been polished up. Look at that. No swells in the tail lights, nothing. Look at that. Gorgeous. Got the rear tint removed. I don't know if we've recorded that, but we got the rear tint removed, so it looks all original. No tint on the sides.
I think we lost a bit of friendship with the tinners for that.
Yeah, mate. What'd you write on there? Russo Bros. Alright, so she starts and runs, boys. As you may have noticed, we chopped the exhaust off because it was full of rust. And it still is. So we're going to get a whole new exhaust. But we're just, because we did the coolant back then, we're getting it up to spec. Make sure the coolant's all good. Did the oil change. So let's make sure she's all good. All right, here's our new Diff, boys. What ratio did we go again? 3/7. Yep, so standard is 3/2/6. Only came in the sprint. So it might upset the purists, but it's not gonna upset the skids. Won't upset them when the wheels are burning. So we got our good friend BRA differentials, Ralphie. Put a new LSD in it, shimmed it up a bit so it's a little bit tighter, but not too much that we lose, longevity out of it. And then we went new 3/7 gears.
Best in the business, mate.
So we're gonna bolt that all up today, button her up, and maybe we can take it for a drive.
I don't know who the fuck to trust, is she my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, draw, yeah, she give me that claim I was roll. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy, running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags, ballin' like dick flags. Told her I love her, I ain't really mean that, yeah.
Nowadays these people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cover. I got 4 hoofs that went top. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some scribble. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip.
Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed light, and I like the gay bubble light. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah, had to cut the little dot, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends, sex a couple of days, yeah, lost a lot to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8, then I finally started getting smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie, this a girl, but she want it. These little boys think I'm cocky.
My bitch feel like Mary Poppins. Yo bitch feel like an ice, smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. My bitch drip like Mary Poppins. Yo bitch feel like an ice, smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. Nowadays these people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cover. I got 4 hoofs that went top. I remember.
People from back home still can't believe that we had come this far. Same people never thought a boy would go this hard. People from back home still can't believe that we had come this far. Same people never thought the boy would go this hard. Give these people something now they know. You might not respect their image, but you will respect the flow. I'm saying, ooh, don't try to tell me what the squad can't do. Yeah, you should've known that the tribe is on the move. Yeah.
As a dog returns to his vomit, a fool with peace in his foolishness, and you acting like you got it. But I can see you still new to this. Sick of tucking down, thinking brothers. Always taking shortcuts, try to get rich. But when one blind man leads another, then they both gon' fall straight down, face down in the ditch sport. Ain't nobody give a damn yet. Yeah, true God flow, got the rhythm inside of me, gotta go. Super hard for the mission in front of me, I don't know. If you listen when I'm spitting it, Papa, they gotta show my generation.
I've seen swamps, creeks, rivers cleaner than this bloody brake fluid. Filthy.
So when you ask me how it's gone, I was spotting them like one time. People from back home still can't believe that we had come this far. Same people never thought the boy would go this hard. People from back home still can't believe that we had come this far. Same people never thought the boy would go this hard. Give these people something that they know. You might not respect the image, but you will respect the flow. I'm saying, ooh, don't try to tell me what this squad can do. Yeah, you should've known that the trap is on the move. Yeah, watching all these youngins steady talking about that nonsense, acting like they trippy, but don't think about the consequence.
We got homies dying from these pills, man. It ain't cool no more. Cut it out.
Came at the game of the lesson, nothing, hardly nothing, no support. Put it from the ground up, 10 years that a guy gave me everything that I asked for. 10,000 hours in, till my crowd by the time I'm done, that'll put 100,000 more. If you don't think that I work for this, keep my name out your mouth, I have Voldemort.
Original Michelin tyre, boys. Alright, she's gonna touch the ground for the first time in a while. Drop her like a top. How good is it having Ling Long tires?
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist, but you have got me on your hit list. And you're conspiring, girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive. Shots through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the...
Don't mind the exhaust because it's been chopped off and it's blocked up, so that's got to be attended to. But now with the new rubbers sitting on top of the springs, because all the other ones were collapsed, it sits much more level. Beautiful.
I'd sell my soul to take you